Hey guys, so this morning I got a call. We had a couple days ago, a customer called us and we done some work for them in the past, and their parking lot was flooded, like 6 to 8 inches underwater, the whole parking lot. So we rushed out there the other day and we dug on some emergency drains, and then we found the actual drain to the parking lot to help it clear out. So we got the water cleared out of the parking lot, and it's dried out a little bit. So today we're going to go get some lime rock, some drainage rock, and we're going to fill up the drains that we dug with that lime rock, because it'll let the water flow through it a little bit easier. And so I didn't get a chance to film us digging out the emergency drainage, but today I'm going to try to make a little video here showing us picking up the rock and filling up the holes, and let everybody kind of see what it looks like to do a drainage repair. So I'm gonna hook up to this trailer real quick, and then I'll catch y'all in a second. Just put it on the axles. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so we're here at the business that we did the drainage work for. So all we did was move a parking block and then dig out this a few inches. It's been really wet, so we haven't been able to finish it, but so this is what we got, and then we got some of this rock here to put in the hole to let it drain down. back at the office, I was working on throwing this video together. And I don't know if many of y'all have noticed, but we're a new channel, so we're still kind of getting used to filming everything and documenting what we do on a daily basis. So in this video, I kind of forgot to film the day that we dug the emergency drains. It was raining and we were kind of in a hurry and the parking lot was underwater. I wish I would have took a couple pictures so y'all could see like how bad it actually was. It was kind of crazy because the parking lot had no parking spaces that weren't underwater. So we went ahead and just dug those out, and within like an hour it had already kind of self-drained from there. And then the video picks up about a week later, once the ground kind of dried out a little bit. It was still kind of soggy, but it had dried out enough, so we went back, put in a little bit of drainage rock in there. It didn't take much. I think we used about a yard worth of drainage rock to kind of fill in the drains that we had dug, and that'll help the water kind of run off the parking lot in the future. But we actually found the original drain. It was buried under some sod where the ground had just kind of grew over it. So we found that. Once we found that drain, the parking lot actually drained like it was supposed to. And then towards the end of the video, where you see us running over the dirt, that was actually some dirt that we had dumped out in our yard from a previous video. If y'all have seen that one, that's where we hauled a huge load of dirt with the dump trailer and the half-ton pickup. I can put that video at the end if y'all want to check it out if you hadn't seen it. But basically it was a real thick, hard clay, and so we used a truck to kind of bust up some of the chunks of clay, and it was kind of hard, so we ended up using a truck, compacted it all down, and it turned out pretty decent. So y'all check out the videos. We'll keep them coming, and we appreciate all the views. Thank y'all.